students, relax, sit back and listen to a math class. In today's class, we are going to solve this problem. Matrix A, B and C has been given. We have to calculate the value of AC, BC and we have to verify that A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC. So first calculating AC. AC equal to, first write the matrix A. 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0. Next C value, 2, minus 2, 3. So we are calculating the value of AC. So AC equal to this first one, this first number multiplied with this first row with this first column. So 0 into 2, what you will get? 0. 0 into 2, 0. Plus 6 into minus 2, minus 12. Plus 7 3s are 21. Next, this second row with this column. So minus 6 into 2, minus 12. Plus 0 into 2, minus 2, 0. Plus 8 3s are 24. Next, 7 2s are this third row with this column. 7 2s are 14. Here, minus 8 into minus 2, 16 plus 16. Plus 0 into 3 plus 0. So equal to 21 minus 12, 21 minus 12, 11, 9. So 9. 24 minus 12, 12. 16 plus 14, 30. So this is your AC value. Next we have to calculate the value of BC. Next BC. So matrix BC. Matrix B is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 120, 1, 2, 0. Matrix C is 2, minus 2, 3. So this first row with this column. 0 into 2, 0. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 1 into 3, plus 3. Next, 1 2s are 2. 0 into minus 2, minus 0. 2 3s are 6. Next, 1 2s are 2. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 0 into 3, 0. Minus 2 plus 3, 1. 2 plus 6, 8. 2 minus 4, minus 2. This is a value of BC. 1, 8 minus 2. Now we know the value of AC and BC. We have to verify this. A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC. So first we can calculate this A plus B. A plus B equal to A is 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0. B is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. So we have to, A plus B means we have to calculate this first one with this first one. Second one with this second one. Okay. So 0, first write the respective matrix. 7 minus 8, 0. Plus B value is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. So first element with this first element. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Minus 6 plus 1, minus 5. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 2, 10. 7 plus 1, 8. Minus 8 plus 2, minus 6. 0 plus this 0, 0. This is our A plus B value. Next, with this A plus B value, you have to multiply the matrix C. Here, A plus B into C. This is A plus B into C. So, you have to multiply this first row with this one. So, 0 into 2, 0. Plus 7 into minus 2, minus 14 plus 8 3s are plus 24 equal to minus 5 into 2 10, 0 into minus 2 minus 0, 10 3s are 30. Next 8 2s are 16, minus 6 into minus 2 plus 12, 0 into 3 plus 0. So minus 14 plus 24 10, minus 10 plus 30 20, 16 plus 12 28. This is your value of a plus b into c. Okay, so a plus b, value of a plus b into c equal to 10, 20, 28. Now we have to find the value of AC plus BC. Already we have calculated the value of AC and BC. AC value is 9, 12, 30. BC value is 1, 8, minus 2. So here AC plus BC. So we have to add this 9 plus 1, 10. 12 plus 8, 20. 30 minus 2, 28. This is your AC plus BC value. This is your A plus B into C. A plus B into C is 10, 20, 28. AC plus BC is 10, 20, 28. So, here A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC. Hence the proof. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos related to both school and college maths. Thank you.